Connecting Airtable to Voiceflow enables you to integrate dynamic data into your conversational experiences, such as chatbots or voice applications. Here's how to set it up. Prepare your Airtable base. Log into your Airtable account and create or open the base you want to connect. Ensure the table contains the fields and records you want Voiceflow to access. Obtain the API key from your Airtable accounts and the base ID from Airtable's API documentation. Log into Voiceflow. Open Voiceflow and navigate to the project where you want to use Airtable data. Add an integration. In Voiceflow, go to the Integration section in the menu and choose API Integration. Enter Airtable's API URL in the following format. Authenticate. Use your Airtable API key to authenticate the connection. Configure data blocks. In Voiceflow, use API blocks to fetch data from Airtable during interactions. You can map the fetch data to variables within Voiceflow. Test your setup. Run a test to confirm that Voiceflow retrieves and utilizes data from Airtable correctly.